Go, Gadget, go! This is getting a little ridiculous. Whoa! Ooh! Must be time for lunch. I'll make a little campfire. Rub together vigorously. Wowzers! I guess I was rubbing too hard. This can't be the seismologist's place. It's too small. Whoa! Do you know where the seismologist is? Yeah!
If that isn't the end of Gadget, I'll eat my hat.
Oh no, Brain! Was he able to swim to shore?
No man could survive such a fall, I'm sorry to say.
Oh, Brain, what are we gonna do now?
Why don't you fry these fish?
Uncle Gadget, you're all right!
That stream is just filled with trout. But I've got work to do.
Yeah, Inspector, I just remembered who could help you.
Oh, really?
There's an old prospector who lives up in the hills. He knows these parts like the back of his hand.
You stay here, Penny. I'll check this out.
Brain, you follow Uncle Gadget.
The old prospector?
Yes, sir. Everyone who's tried to get near his gold has disappeared.
Very good.
Go, Gadget binoculars. Ah, yes, there's my man. Hello!
Stay away, you hear?
Ooh! Excuse me, I'm Inspector Gadget, and I have a few questions for you.
Stay away from my gold.
You have a cold? I can't afford to get sick. I'm always on duty. I have to ask you some questions.
Maybe my computer book can help locate the seismologist. I'll set the computer to scan this area. Uh-oh! The warden. He's vanished. Where could he... What? Oh, maybe I can find out where the tremors are coming from. It looks like it's coming from over there.
Test the machine again. Use more power.
Oh! Well, I'll never get out that way.
Hello? Where are you?
Ain't no one gonna steal my gold.
Now, where could he be? I don't remember seeing those rocks there a minute ago. Could he have gone this way?
I sure don't like this place. How do I get out of here?
Better load up. No one will suspect this old furnace is really a cannon. I worked these hills for 40 years, and no one's gonna steal my fortune. I'll never get tired of looking at you, Goldie. You're just as beautiful as when I found you 10 years ago.
Hello, Mr. Prospector.
Go away! Leave me alone!
I'm sorry you're not feeling well.
Don't come any closer!
Brain, why didn't you try to stop the mad agent from stealing my Gadget-mobile? Bad dog.
In Russia, we know how to be treating dogs making mistakes. Go-Go multi-use tool glove for springing out and boxing. And for positive reinforcement. You car transportation vehicle next time, yes? It's good dog.
Look, you're new to fighting Talon, so I'll cut you some slack.
Huh, always with the talkie-talkie. You should spend more time with the capture.
Well, Uncle Claw's gonna lose it when I don't bring him his ice cube, but this is kind of fun.
Let's give this positive reinforcement thing a try. Go-Go Gadget heading mid.
Whoa! I thought you guys were arguing.
Ha! Pitting us against each other like we'd fall for your lame manipulation trick.
We pretend to argue, then hack into your shoes using computers. You're not very smart, very handsome mad agent.
She said I'm handsome.
Stop that. Stop that.
Gadget technique is fun, yes? Who knows what happened next? Ha 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 ha! Go-Go multi-use tool arms that are for extending outward and hugging.
Gadget, comrade, good work on the mission.
And it looks like Talon just laser tunneled himself away.
This is being very annoying.
I know, right?
You know, I said I'd pay for new uniforms myself. Uncle Claw? Aw, come on!
I'll get you next time, Gadget. And Comrade Multi-Use Tool. Next time.
Really? Not liking this?
Less talking, more peddling. Stop and you'll be frozen in Madtanium. Part of my new line of Madsport Doomsday devices. Able to freeze all your arch enemies' vehicles with very little post-cleanup.
You know, you could have told me all this rather than having me ride a tricycle. Also, why a tricycle?
I enjoy humiliating you. Excellent. Soon, the Madsport will be ready for use on all my arch enemies. First, there's a couple more tests I want to run. Mad Cat.
I look forward to the HQ retreat every year. It's the only time I can go outside without fear of being blown up. And I love the meatballs.
Welcome to the Inspector Gadget HQ Retreat Tour Company Travel Operator Incorporated Limited Partnership. Hop aboard.
Uncle Gadget, I ran hundreds of scenarios and found that this was by far the quickest way to go.
Quickest? No thanks. Getting there is 75% or 5/8 of the fun. We'll arrive in time, but also in style. Go-Go Gadget route reminder. This is a route. It has twists, turns, and twisty turns. Now strap in. This bridge was built in prehistoric times by a T-Rex. Its tiny hands really helped with the masonry work.
I really don't know where he gets his information.
Can we please hurry, Gadget? I'm famished. I can hear the meatballs calling my name.
Uncle Gadget, I was thinking it might be cool if we possibly, headed towards the retreat a bit faster.
You know how I hate cold meatballs.
Everyone loves warm meatballs, but you know what everyone loves even more? Obscure roadside attractions.
Wind, north by northwest. Height, 12,000 feet. Velocity?
You still here?
You can't just jump out of a supersonic jet. You have to take all the variables into...
Now, what's for dinner tonight?
Perfect landing coming up.
The key to enjoying any road trip is proper hydration, followed by frequent restroom stops.
Huh? But no match for the skills of the famous Inspector Gadget.
Agent Chameleon, report.
I read you, Dr. Claw.
Stop Gadget before he gets to my weather village on Mount Makalu.
Have no fear. Chameleon is here.
My good man, could you let me by? I'm in a hurry. Thank you. I'm on a top secret mission.
This is it, Inspector. Goodbye, Gadget. Ooh. Curses.
Still a long way to go. I need a guide to get me up there. Maybe I'll find one in this market.
Stop! Stop that boy!
Oh!
Are you okay?
I think so.
Good. Cover me quickly.
Where did he go? Where did he go, little girl? Some help!
Thank you, little miss. I am Taboo, and now I owe you a favor.
I'm Penny, and I know the favor. Get me up there.
As you wish, but it is dangerous.
This time he won't get away. Right this way for the best meal in Tibet.
This high country gives a man an appetite.
Best yak steak in Tibet. Right this way.
Sounds great.
Have a seat. I'll be right with you. Goodbye, Gadget. The waterfall will take care of you.
Cozy atmosphere. Yak steak must be a local delicacy. Service is kind of slow here. No time to wait. I've got to be going. Tide must be out. Better get moving. Go, go, Gadget Springs.
He has more lives than a cat, but I'll stop him.
Ah, that looks like a nice hotel. Perhaps they have better service.
Good day to the renowned Inspector Gadget.
It's nice to be famous.
I have message for you.
Well, let's have it, good sir.
Your chief awaits you at the Temple of the Raha Maja. Here is the password.
Kulu Bulu Raha Maja. Some password. What does it mean?
Take me to your chief.
Very clever. Thank you. Go, go, Gadget rocket skates.
Agent Chameleon to claw.
Is it done?
He'll never leave the Temple of the Yeti.
What was the message?
It means I am taking over the temple.
This path leads to the Rahamaja, Temple of the Yeti. It is the only way to Mount Makalu.
I've got to get there. Come on.
The dreaded Temple of Rahamaja. Now to get through it without forfeiting our lives.
Is it that dangerous?
More than that. Come, climb on my shoulders. Here we go.
Okay. Be careful.
Whoa!
Good day, gentlemen. I'm here on official business. I have the password.
I look forward to the HQ retreat every year. It's the only time I can go outside without fear of being blown up. And I love the meatballs.
Welcome to the Inspector Gadget HQ Retreat Tour Company Travel Operator Incorporated Limited Partnership. Up aboard.
Uncle Gadget, I ran hundreds of scenarios and found that this was by far the quickest way to go.
Quickest? No thanks. Getting there is 75% or 5/8 of the fun. We'll arrive in time, but also in style. Go Gadget route reminder. This is a route. It has twists, turns, and twisty turns. Now strap in. This bridge was built in prehistoric times by a T-Rex. Its tiny hands really helped with the masonry work.
I really don't know where he gets his information.
Can we please hurry, Gadget? I'm famished. I can hear the meatballs calling my name.
Uncle Gadget, I was thinking it might be cool if we possibly, headed towards the retreat a bit faster.
You know how I hate cold meatballs.
Everyone loves warm meatballs, but you know what everyone loves even more? Obscure roadside attractions.
Wind, north by northwest. Height, 12,000 feet. Velocity?
You still here?
You can't just jump out of a supersonic jet. You have to take all the variables into...
Now, what's for dinner tonight?
Perfect landing coming up.
The key to enjoying any road trip is proper hydration, followed by frequent restroom stops.
Huh?
While I'm here, could really use the facilities. Come on, come on!
Are you following us?
Are you following me?
You're totally planning something, and I'm gonna figure it out.
No! Can't a guy just go to the bathroom at a rest stop in the middle of nowhere?
Here's your key, bathroom attendant. Now, back to the road.
Gotta go. Have a great trip. I'm sure your memory of it will be frozen in time.
I wonder what Talon is up to.
Maybe he did just have to go. Evil people have bladders, too.
I don't buy it. He was up to something. I'm gonna look around. Ha! I knew it! See? He totally did something evil. And I found it! Right. That's bad. Sorry.
Yep.
Brain, Talon has planted something on the side of the bus. We need you to go out there and find out what he's done.
Nothing like a quiet drive through a garbage dump. Am I right?
Ah! Uncle Gadget, you need to keep the bus on the road!
It looks like it's triggered some kind of force field on the bus. We're trapped inside. Ooh, very fancy design.
You can admire it later, Professor. Once we shut down whatever it is.
Always after we shut things down. Where's the fun in that?
this, then you're probably sealed inside the bus. And obviously, you found the Madsport, a state-of-the-art mobile doomsday device set to freeze you and the entire bus in Madtanium.
Ooh, sounds unstable.
It's very unstable. It will go off if you stop the bus. Try to remove it. Take your hands off the wheel, try to escape. Use one of your portal thingies, or if you go gadget the bus into something else.
So pretty much if we do anything.
So pretty much if you do anything. This message will self-destruct when the bus does. Talon out. That went well, right?
You were pitchy.
Pitchy? What do you... Wait, I think he's still recording. Forget all that! It doesn't matter. You'll be frozen soon anyway.
I knew I should have taken that ride with the lunch lady.
Sorry, I can't play right now. I have to fix this engine. Hey! I need to complete these repairs. Come back here with that!
I feel like I've stepped into a time machine, but I can't find anything that links them with Mad. Wowzers! A communications console! And the Mad symbol! I knew these pirates were Mad agents. Oh no! The ship's moving! And someone's coming!
Stop, thief! All right, you! I've had enough of your games! Hey, you've ruined this part! It stopped ticking! Oh, well. It's useless now.
And so are you, Gadget.
The bomb will blow Gadget out of the water right about...
Oh no! Uncle Gadget!
now!
Good. Now nothing can interfere with our plan. We'll be rich, Mad Cat. Rich, rich, rich.
Poor Uncle Gadget. Uncle Gadget! What happened?
We abandoned ship. That boat was dangerous. We're off to watch the pirate show now.
But Uncle!
Isn't she wonderful?
Smashing.
You won't be smiling when I be through with you.
More! I think she's serious, folks. She wants you to sign over your fortunes. Just sign here and she'll let you go.
I don't want to go. I'm having too much fun.
Threaten us some more! I think I played my part too well. They think this is part of the adventure tour.
We'll see about that.
Hey, look!
Looks like the show's about to start.
It's Inspector Gadget.
He must be part of the tour.
He's my hero.
Look alive there, crew. For a salute. And Inspector Gadget, you may have missed him, Malcolm, but I won't.
Uh-oh. Yikes! Go, Gadget, go! Wowzers! That's the biggest seagull I've ever seen. It lays big eggs, too.
Hooray for Inspector Gadget.
He's magnificent.
What a guy! Amazing.
I think he's cute.
Hooray!
Thank you. Thank you.
Whoa! Whoa!
Come in, Brain. Brain, you've got to help Uncle Gadget.
What a ride! This is the best seat in the house. Go, go, Gadget binoculars. Land ho!
Neither did the mad henchman smell really funky lately.
My smell receptors are set to burn toast at all times, so I haven't noticed.
Gadget, a job well done. I have a new mission for you.
That's perfect, Chief.
Mad plans to steal 100 megaliters of water from Siberia and drop it into a volcano, which could create enough steam to cloud the atmosphere and trigger an ice age.
We're on it, Chief.
Also, because you will be working through HQ's Russian office, you will be teaming up with their top agent, Comrade Multi-Use Tool. This message will self-destruct.
We're still on it, Chief.
I wonder how Mad is gonna move 100 megaliters of water.
But it's so cold!
Of course it's cold. It's a giant ice cube. Now get moving!
Great. Gadget. Can a guy slide a giant ice cube through Russia without being hassled by a goody-goody cyborg? Ugh. You're getting pretty sneaky, Penny.
Pretty? Yes. Penny? No. But I have heard of her. She kicks your butt a lot, yes?
I don't know if you're clones or evil twins, but this is just weird. Ugh. Weird and dangerous. I'm out of here.
Hello, world-famous HQ agent Inspector Gadget and daughter of sibling to Gadget.
You must be Comrade Multi-Use Tool.
And I am his niece, Pasha.
Hey, I'm Penny.
Wowzers! If you don't mind me saying, comrade, you are a very striking man.
I am not minding at all.
Uncle, it seems handsome, annoying boy has escaped.
Talon does that all the time. Drives me crazy.
My comrade and I will start an aerial search.
Go-go multi-use tool with spinning blades of a helicopter for flying.
Go-go Gadget copter.
You destroy Cube? Ah, I see. If Cube is gone, Mad Agent must get another, where we will stop him. Brilliant. There is much I can learn from most famous HQ agent.
And I can't wait to teach you.
Gah!
I see your flying car no longer fly. You ride with me, yes?
Ooh, yes. Yes, I will. Brain, you stay here and fix the Gadget Mobile, and we'll track down Talon.
Run a hose from the ocean, I said. Maybe raid a bottled water warehouse, I said. But no! He just has to have a giant ice cube to steam those uniforms.
So, who is handsome young Mad Agent?
Handsome, maybe, but he's so annoying. Always escaping, totally lame plans, the witless banter, that smarmy smile, his perfect hair, and that totally charming laugh. Ugh, so annoying.
Yes, it is very clear you do not like him at all.
I am not seeing young Mad Agent who is being escaping. You?
Let me see. Go-go Gadget binoculars. I'll yell out for him to surrender. Go-go Gadget megaphone.
I see what you do. You keep Mad Agents guessing with doing weird things. You are magnificent.
No. I am Inspector Gadget.
I am thinking that is your transportation vehicle, yes?
That Mad Agent is stealing my Gadget Mobile. I believe he's indicating that he has no intention of surrendering, and also he would like an order of fries.
No problem. I will stop him now.
Ah!
What do you mean you're on your second cube?
Well, first Gadget showed up, and then a second Gadget showed up, then they broke my first one.
Two Gadgets, now you're just making stuff up.
Okay, all I need now is a little luck, and I can get this cube to the volcano without any more interruptions. Hey, ladies, you wouldn't want to give a guy a break, would you? Maybe help push?
Oh, I'll give you a push. All the way to an...